I thought today's video we could talk a little bit about when you're renovating to expect the unexpected. So when we were initially doing the design for this house and figuring out what was going on and where things were going to go in the lower floor of this home, this entire area behind me here to the left had been walled right over. So we weren't even aware that there was a room here. Moreover, there was actually an additional room underneath the front stairs. Now, you might think, well, how did you not know? They were walled right over. Like, we had no idea that they were there. And then here, what makes this a challenge is that we have finished concrete stairs, which are not going to be part of the renovated home, that now will need to get waterproofed or dealt with in a way that will pass inspection, because how this was originally built would not pass current inspection. Now we're in what will be the future kitchen for the suite of this home, and there's a fireplace knockout. And I mean, obviously we can wall that over, not a big deal. The original design had us putting a concrete patio for the front entryway, which would have looked awesome. Unfortunately, due to the complexities of what's here, this stuff just A, was not predictable, B, wasn't predicted because it's not predictable, and C, getting this to do what the original vision of the home to do is not in budget. So these are the kinds of things that when you're renovating, we want to just be aware of. Like, there's no way that anybody would ever expect to find this or that when they're covered over and buried. Contractors are pretty smart. I like to think most of us are pretty smart, but we certainly don't have X-ray vision. So that's my 2 cents on, what to expect when you're renovating. Expect the unexpected. You never know what your home is going to throw at you or your contractor. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.